Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2018 model Honda Civic RS, top of the line. 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 56,000 kilometers mileage. First owner, push start, Civic Type R green, premium leather seats, central locking system, all stock, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 888,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 236,086 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2016 model Ford Everest Titanium, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 72,000 kilometers mileage. First owner, well-maintained, leaf-wrap seat cover, power window, 7-seater, airbags, rear sensor, stepboard, alloy mags, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 798,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 202,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. / 2025 model Toyota Innova XE, good as brand new, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 442 kilometers mileage, first owned, 3-year LTO registration, 3-year unit dealer warranty, plate ending 2, touchscreen head unit, central locking system, dual aircon, 7-seater, fog light, backup sensor, original spare key, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 1,188,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 212,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2022 model Nissan Navara DL Caliber, 2.5-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 27,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, premium leather seats, touchscreen display, reverse sensor and camera, SRS airbag, side visor, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 1,198,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 215,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model Ford Ranger Wildcat, 2-liter B-turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 52,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, plate ending 6, 4-wheel drive, keyless entry, push-button start, power adjust driver seat, touchscreen head unit, cruise control, reverse camera, front and back sensors, genuine leather seats, spare key fob, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 948,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 251,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2021 model Toyota Hiace Commuter Deluxe, 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, manual transmission, 40,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, front and rear bull bar, 15-seater, reverse sensor, parking camera, upgraded mag-wheels, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 1,378,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 261,057 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.